It's so important to meet customers where they are, which is why investing in a multi-channel marketing strategy is becoming more and more important. Multi-channel marketing is where merchants market their products and services to customers who are on multiple channels, both directly and indirectly. It's essential to the longevity of your business to meet customers on their turf and not just put all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, a marketing channel. Just like you would diversify your stock market portfolio, investing strategically across multiple channels is the best way to see positive results. With multi-channel marketing, the goal is really to improve customer acquisition, but to do so in a scalable and effective way. These days, there are a lot of different channels to find your customers. Social media sites like Instagram and Facebook are a popular option with shoppable links that make purchasing from a brand easier than ever. Also, don't overlook TikTok, which has incredibly high user engagement. They just released video shopping ads and live shopping features. So whichever channels you're investing in, make sure your messaging and your design are consistent across each medium. Research shows that keeping a consistent brand identity across all of your channels can boost revenue by up to 33%. Consistency will also help boost your brand's awareness and affinity. All right, so here's the recap. Meeting your customers where they are is essential to the longevity of your business. Investing in a multi-channel marketing strategy will increase the success of customer acquisition. Lastly, more and more opportunities to shop continue to emerge, and merchants have to stay ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, there's more where that came from. Check out more videos here.